guys, today we're gonna find my three cousin. The first one is Gareth. The second one is Joe. The second one is Joy. Just wait for me here, okay? I'm just gonna look for them, for my cousins. Okay? I'm gonna find them. But Joey's real name is Jason and Joy's real name is William. And Gareth, that's her real name, Gareth. So wait for me here, okay? So guys, we didn't find my cousin. So I'm just gonna find my two cousins, the Jason and William, or short name Joe and Joey. So we're just gonna play outside later. So I'm gonna end this video and see you later, because we're gonna do some challenge the Chinese garden. So I'm gonna end this video because we're gonna play later some Chinese garden, and I don't know if Queen Margaret is gonna play with us. So just watch if you don't watch this video, watch we're gonna do the Chinese garden later. Bye.